Hello dear students, I hope you are doing well at your home. You are studying your own words and making timetable, working on it and trying to achieve your short goals. Today I am back with the second video of clauses. In this video, I will explain you the kinds of clauses. Yesterday we have studied in the last video. I have made one more video of clauses, the first video. Those who have not watched the first video, first go and watch the first one because that is the base. In that I have explained how clauses are formed, how many kinds of sentences are there. Today I am going to explain the kinds of clauses. In this video I will talk to you people in detail about this topic clauses. Understood? The kinds of clauses will be elaborated in this video. Now you see, I am writing a sentence. He likes playing games. What I am writing? He likes playing games. Just look at the sentence. The sentence are of three kinds. I told you yesterday. Simple, compound, complex. Now you have to tell me what kind of sentence is this. I hope you are able to do. First you have to find out subject and this is predicate. The sentence which contains only one pair of subject and predicate are what kind of sentences? Simple sentences. And in simple sentences, there are no clause. Understood? In some books, it is mentioned that simple sentence is a main clause. Understood? But this is something to confuse. Simple sentence will not contain any clause. It's a sentence itself. Okay. Now coming to the second category. There is second category of that. He ran fast and won the race. He ran fast and won the race. Now what you need to do? Again you need to find out the subject and predicates. He ran fast is the subject. This is predicate for the subject. And won the race. The subject is he only. I have not written it because I have taken a common subject. I have written the subject once. I have connected two parts of it with the connector and. So the sentences which are connected by coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions. Yesterday we have done fanboys. I hope you people have done your homework. I told you to find the abbreviations. Now what you can do? F stands for for, A stands for and, N stands for no, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, and S stands for so. I have told you all the abbreviations. These are the abbreviations of coordinating conjunctions. Which conjunction, children? Coordinating conjunctions. The sentence that is connected by coordinating conjunction will always be a compound sentence. Will always be a compound sentence. And the sentence which is compound in nature will comprise of two clauses and both the clauses will be main. Clauses are of two kinds. Clauses are basically of two kinds, main and subordinate. Main clause is something which can stand at its own. Main clause can convey its complete sense, whereas subordinate clause is something that depends on the main part. Look at this sentence carefully. He ran fast, first part, and he won the race, second part. If you read only first part, he ran fast, it's completed itself, he ran fast, that's okay. He won the race, second part, that is also completed itself, that is also okay. We have just connected it. Understood? So we have made a complete sentence carrying two clauses. This is clause 1. Clause 1 and this is clause 2. Clause 1 and clause 2. Here both the clauses will stand as main clauses. Understood? This is all about compound sentence and simple sentence. Now I am writing a complex sentence. Note down these these sentences, or you can take a screenshot also. Now I will write a complex sentence. Now I will write a complex sentence. Unless you work hard, comma, you will not pass. Unless you work hard, you will not pass. Understood? I do not know where she lives. I do not know where she lives. Now you have to understand these two sentences also. First of all, try to recognize what kind of connectors are used. Unless you work hard, comma, you will not pass. Can you find the connector in this? What is the connector? The connector is unless. What kind of connector it is? It is a kind of subordinating connector. It is a kind of subordinating connector. The sentences which are connected by subordinating connectors are known as what kind of sentences? Complex sentences. So this is complex sentence. I have told you two features of this sentence. This sentence contains unless as a connector, which is a subordinating connector, and the sentence nature is complex. It is a kind of complex sentence. Now since it is a complex sentence, it will have two clauses, main also and subordinating also. Complex sentence have one more feature. It will contain two clauses and the clauses will be in the nature of main and subordinate. Now we have to find out what is main and what is subordinate. I have told you the meaning of main clause. Main clause can stand at its own. Find out which part can stand at its own. First of all, separate its part. First part is this, unless you work hard. Understood? Then you will not pass. Unless you work hard. Understood? You will not pass. Unless you work hard, if someone comes to you, unless you work hard. Does it convey any sense? I don't think so. Does convey any sense? It conveys a sense, but incomplete sense. If someone comes to you and tell you, you will not pass, it is conveying a complete sense. So if this part is conveying a complete sense, it means it is main clause. And if it is not able to convey a complete sense, rather it depends on this part. So this dependent part will be known as subordinating clause. Is that clear? The part which conveys its complete meaning at its own is known as main clause, whereas the part which depends and not able to convey its complete sense is known as subordinating clause. Now what I need to do in the second sentence? You need to go step by step. Look at the sentence, divide it into parts. I do not know where she lives. This is the connector. Of course, the sentence can be broken down from here very easily. First part is this, I do not know. Second part is where she lives. This is clause 1 and this is clause 2. I don't know. That's it. I come to you, I tell I don't know. That is okay, I don't know. If somebody comes to you and tells where she lives, understood? Now this where she lives, I do not know. They both are connected to each other. This is able to convey its complete sense, its main clause. Starting with this connector, it is subordinating clause. Understood? In this video, in this class, you have understood how to separate main clause and subordinating clause. So now, I will tell you one more trick to identify subordinating clause. If in any sentence you find subordinating connector, you will always get a complex sentence. Complex sentence will have subordinating clause, and subordinating clause basically begins with connector only. So if connector has come here, subordinating clause will start from here. But there is one single sentence, like I'm writing for you. I know the boy who won the prize. Understood? I know the boy who won the prize. Again, this is your first part, clause 1. This is your second part, clause 2. Why I am making this second part? Because I have seen this connector who. And this connector is a subordinating connector. It is a kind of complex sentence. This is main clause and this is subordinating clause. In this class, again I am telling you, you have to understand the concept of main and subordinating clause. One more class I will be bringing for you, in which I will elaborate the kind of subordinating clause. In next class you will come to know about these. Subordinating clause is also 3 kinds: noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. In this class what you have learned, that clauses are of 2 kinds: main and subordinate. This is all about today and this will be in the next class. You have to make the notes, you have to revise your concept. You can get the worksheet online, search for the clauses worksheet, try to separate them out. You have doubts, you can comment in the comment section or you can just message me for your comments also. Okay? Thank you very much. Keep studying.